It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We are conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.